I don't know when I'm going to be uploading this video. I feel like it might be the new year, so if that's the case, happy new year, woohoo, 2021. If it's not the case and it's still 2020, then that's a bit of a shame, but I hope you have a lovely New Year's. And yeah, today I am going to be filming a video. I don't really know how to explain it. It's kind of like what I got for Christmas part 2, but if you watched part 1, you'll know that I mentioned at the end that the presents that Alex got me this year kind of link in with something I bought myself, but I wanted to make a separate video on it because it's something a little bit bigger than normal. Normally I get myself just a little something, but this year I got myself a big something. So the plan for this video is I'm going to show you guys what I've got myself and what Alex has got me. It's kind of going to be like an unboxing because a lot of it is still in its boxes, and then I'm going to film us getting it all ready. I'm going to film my reaction to using it for the first time, and I feel like for a lot of people when they see what it is, they're probably going to want to click off the video because you guys might not be interested at all in this, but I would highly recommend sticking around and waiting until we actually get it all up and running, because I swear it's beautiful. Like, even if this doesn't interest you at all, you're still gonna find it beautiful, I promise. And then I'm gonna end the video by talking a bit about how this links with my plans for 2021, why I'm gonna do what I wanna do, and just kind of talk a bit about that. So yeah, that's like a little contents page for this video. Now you know what to expect, and I think I'm just gonna get on with it and show you guys what I've got myself, what Alex has got me. I've never been so excited. Like, this excites me so much. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the main thing. There's quite a lot of stuff, but this is definitely the main part. It's currently hidden under this bag, but I'm just gonna lift it up and reveal what it is. It's gonna be a bit anticlimactic for a lot of you, but like I said, I promise when it's all up and running, the bag is stuck. The bag is stuck. Okay, I think we're good. Yeah, I promise you when it's all up and running, it will look so much cooler. Ta-da! I mean, I'm sure a lot of you know, this is a PC. I have bought myself a PC because I have bought myself a full gaming setup. So this is the actual PC. I mean, I think it's beautiful even like this, even though she's not turned on yet. I still think it's beautiful, but it's gonna look even better later. But this is the Corsair Crystal Series 680X. I think I've got that right. That's what the case is. And then on the inside, I mean, I'm not gonna list everything that I got for the inside. Let me try and turn it. I don't know how well you guys can see, but I promise you'll get a better shot later when it's set up. But yeah, on the inside, I think I'll just leave all of the specs on the screen maybe. If you're really interested, you can pause and read them. But I know for a lot of you, you really won't be interested. But yeah, this is a custom PC. I used a website that does like custom PCs. What was the website called? Computer Planet. That's the one that I used. We can open her up. Look at her beautiful insides. But yeah, that sounded a bit weird. But yeah, this is the PC. That's it really. Like, this bit, I don't really know what else to say, but I think I should probably move on to the next thing. Oh yeah, I did already unbox this. I mean, you can probably tell. I'd already unboxed this because I wanted to unbox it. But everything else is still in its boxes, and I am so excited to get it out. Like, so obviously to go with a PC, you kind of need a monitor, otherwise you're not going to see what you're doing. And I mean, okay, let me explain. My original plan for the monitor was to just get a really basic standard one. I wasn't really too fussed. And then I came across this and I just couldn't stop thinking about it. So I ended up buying it. I really wasn't planning on getting one this fancy looking, but it happened. Like, I just couldn't stop thinking about it. So this is by the brand Alienware, and it's their, oh my goodness, let me try and get this right. Yeah, it's the Alienware Quad HD 34.1 inch curved LCD gaming monitor in white. I was like, it's white, it's gonna match my whole setup. Like, the whole vibe that I've gone for is white and pink, and I just ended up buying it. So yeah, I have actually taken the bits out of the box because it was kind of hard. It was such a big box, but we're gonna unwrap them. So I think this is the bit that it sits on. Ta-da! I mean, that doesn't look that exciting, does it? It's just like a little stand that it's gonna sit on. But yeah, there we go. Oh, it says Alienware down the side. I like that. Okay, next one. These are the legs that it sits on. Not really much to say about them either, but they're very handy. It wouldn't really stand up without them. The most exciting bit is the actual monitor, so I think it's about time we removed this. I shouldn't have ripped that. I shouldn't have ripped that, should I? Just in case, but I've ripped it. Well done. Okay, this is kind of hard to show because it's pretty big, but this is what the back of the monitor looks like. You've got the little alien logo, which I think is really cool. There's the 34, because obviously it's a 34-inch. And then you've got little buttons down here. And then this is the actual screen. Shall I turn it around? So this is what it looks like. So it's a curved screen, which I just thought looked really cool, and it's an ultra wide, so that's why she's pretty large. But yeah, this is what it looks pretty heavy. This is what it looks like, and you'll obviously see it better in a bit when we set it up and put it together. But yeah, I am so happy with this. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to all of the little kind of essential bits. So you kind of need a keyboard with a PC. So this is the one that I went for. It's the Razer Huntsman Mini Mercury. Oh, that's the colour. The colour is Mercury, which is white. So this is what it looks like. I went for this one because I liked that it was all white. A lot of them were sort of silver with white keys, but I wanted one that was all white, so that's why I picked this one. I think it looks quite nice. I also like that it's quite small, it's not too bulky. The keys feel really nice. What switch did I go for? I'm pretty sure there were a couple of options for switches, but I went for the linear optical switches. I don't know what colour, were they red? So yeah, that is the keyboard. Obviously when it's turned on, it's gonna be all colourful and it can light up and it's gonna look amazing. Oh yeah, did I mention the actual PC? Oh yeah, I kind of did, didn't I? I said it's gonna look beautiful, but that's because I went for like full RGB on the PC. Like I wanted everything to light up. So yeah, I also got an RGB keyboard. I just love the PC setups, like the gaming setups that are just colourful and there's lights and stuff. I just think they look so cool. That is my keyboard. And then I also got a mouse because again, it's pretty essential. I went for the Razer Viper Ultimate mouse, again in the colour Mercury, which is white. Oh my goodness. I've just been trying to yank on this for ages and the opening is literally like that. Are you alright? I don't even deserve you. I mean, it is a pretty nice looking mouse. So this is what it looks like. It's all white. Well, it's not all white. I was going to say it's all white, but it's also grey. It's white and grey. This bit's grey. These bits are grey. Oh, these feel nice. And you've also got the Razer logo. I think that's the bit that is RGB. I'm pretty sure the logo lights up. So yeah. Are you ready? And then it also comes with a little charging dock. So you just pop it on there and it charges, which is pretty handy to have. Oh my goodness. So yeah, that is the mouse. And then I also bought myself a little headset because I figured that would probably come in handy. So this is also by the brand Razer. It's the Razer Kraken headset in the colour quartz, which is a pinky colour. So this is what it looks like. It's already out of the packaging. Oh, and I also recently bought some ears to go onto it. Okay, when I first ordered it, I was like, I'm not going to be tempted by the ones with ears, but that didn't last long because I ended up buying some ear attachments and now they have ears. So these are the ones with the little kitty ears. I think they are so cute. And oh, it's also got a little mic that can kind of pull out like that. I don't know how much use I'll get of that, but it has got a little mic. Oh, completely missed. I also got myself a little gaming chair. I say little, it's quite large. I got myself a gaming chair. I need to stop describing everything as little. This is clearly not little, it is a big item, yet I still called it a little gaming chair. You'll see it better when I've got the whole setup done, but this is by the brand Zenus. I think that's how you say it. I just got it off of Amazon. I wasn't really too sure which chairs were good, like which brands were good, but this one had pretty good reviews and it's literally perfect. It's white and pink, which is the vibe that I'm going for, and it's really comfy, so I'm really happy with it. It's also got like a little fold out footrest, but again, I'm not really sure how much I've used that. So yeah, that is my chair. I'll just push her away a little bit. See ya. And then the next thing, this is actually one of the things Alex got me for Christmas. So he got me a controller because again, I thought that would probably be quite a handy thing to have because I am used to playing consoles. I am not going to be very good at keyboard and mouse, so I think you alright? I think a controller is probably going to be really handy. So this is the Xbox Robot White controller. It's just a little wireless one. I haven't opened this at all. Let me get it out. Ooh, it feels nice. This is what it looks like. I've never been an Xbox kind of person. I've grown up with PlayStation and Nintendo devices. devices, consoles. So I've never been an Xbox kind of person. It feels different. I'm sure I'll soon get used to it. It feels nice though. It feels like a good controller. He also got me a little mouse mat. I was like, oh, I really need a mouse mat because I literally don't have one. I don't have one with my Mac, so I desperately needed a mouse mat. This is probably the nicest mouse mat I've ever seen in my life. Mouse, meet your new friend, the mouse mat. You look beautiful together. This will also match quite nicely with some prints that I bought myself. They're not actually here yet. I got them from the website Displate, and I think they take a really long time to get here because I ordered them ages ago and I still don't think they're dispatched, but they'll get here eventually. I've got 3 Displate prints to go above my kind of PC setup area. They're not here yet. Should I put an image? I might put a little image in case you want to see them, but yeah. And then the other thing that Alex got me, he got me some like lighting to go around my room, and he also got some, I think it's called coving. You basically attach it along where the wall and the ceiling meet, and then you can stick the lighting strips onto that and it kind of like hides them, but the light still shines through. So I mean, I don't have it with me right now to show you. The coving strips are really long in like a huge box, but yeah, we haven't set it up yet, but hopefully we can do that soon and that's gonna look amazing. Those are the things that Alex got me for Christmas, and those are all of the things that I got myself. I think that's everything. Yeah, that is everything. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is actually set it up and get it up and running. I'm very excited. Right, let's do it. I'm just going to do a little voiceover for this bit because I didn't actually speak whilst we were setting it up because we were just busy setting it up. I kind of just did a time lapse. But the first thing I did is I took everything off of my desk, apart from a cat. Moon was just chilling on there. But I took pretty much everything off of my desk. Then Alex took away my Mac because he's now having it. He is now the owner of my Mac. So he just took that away, and then I just gave the desk a little clean, gave it a little dust. And then we just started setting it up. Obviously, I mean, that would help. It was pretty easy to do. We just put the monitor together, put the PC on the desk, plugged it all in. I say we, Alex did most of it. And then I got everything out, my keyboard, my mouse, my headset, my chair, laid everything out, and then I turned it on, and this is what it looks like. I actually love it so much. This is what the chair looks like, by the way. Obviously I didn't waste any time getting a background with a moon on it, and this is what the PC looks like, with all of the colors. I just love the rainbow vibes. You can pick whatever you want. I need to have a play around with it. You can pick so many different options for the colors. This is what it looks like in the dark. I mean, it looks incredible in the dark. And then the monitor also lights up at the back, and the little alien lights up. So in a minute you can see in the dark, I changed it to pink. I think that's so cool. This is the keyboard and the mouse. They also light up. You can do so many different color options for the keyboard as well. In a minute I think I'll show you guys. Look how cool these look. I can't deal with how cool it is. Right, it has been a few days. I have put off filming the rest of this video because my lovely overthinking brain had a bit of a panic and decided I wasn't going to upload it because what if it came across like I was showing off and people thought I was being like, oh, look what I bought. And yeah, I was just started overthinking it. But we're still going to go ahead with it because at the end of the day, it's just me showing something that I'm excited about, and it leads on perfectly to what I want to tell you guys. So yeah, I'm just going to go with it. We're not going to think about it too much. Maybe this year I should stop overthinking everything. So yeah, I wanted to talk to you guys about one of my plans for 2021. First of all, I'm going to leave a link in the description box. It would mean so much to me if you guys could click the link and go and give me a follow over on my Twitch, or you can search it. It's Sophie Louise ____. I never normally ask for follows on things, so I feel really awkward asking this, but this one just means a little bit more than the rest. If you don't have an account, I'm pretty sure you will need to make one to follow me over there, but it's really quick and easy and free. And yeah, a lot of you guys might know I've been wanting to start streaming on Twitch for years now. I've been talking about this in so many different Q&A videos, so many chatty videos where I'm like, oh, I'd really like to start Twitch streaming, but I always make up excuses for myself as to why I shouldn't do it because I'm so nervous. But I'm finally gonna give it a try. I'm probably gonna be so nervous, especially on my first few streams. I'll probably be a shaky mess. I'm probably gonna say something stupid because I'm not used to being live. Like, I can't edit anything. It's really scary, but I wanted to do this for so long, so I'm finally gonna do it. I also feel like I can't go another year of just doing YouTube. I'm not quitting YouTube, I'm still gonna be making videos, but I just need something else. I'll probably do a like chatty catch-up video soon. In fact, there's quite a few things that I want to talk to you guys about. So I think we need to do like a Q&A catch-up video soon. So I'll do that maybe next week. Yeah, maybe next week. As for like the types of streams that I want to do like a big variety of all sorts, anything from just chill Q&A streams to obviously playing video games. I might do like doing my makeup streams, although that would mean doing my makeup live, which is kind of terrifying, but we can give it a go. I can do streams with Alex. There's so many different things that I want to do. So there'll be a big variety. Hopefully there'll be something for everyone. It'll also be on a much smaller scale to YouTube. I'm expecting a very small amount of people to actually come and watch because I know it's not going to be for everyone. So I feel like that makes it a lot more personal. It will be like a little friendship group. We can all get to know each other and just hang out, and it will just be really cute. I need to decide when I'm actually going to start. I'm not going to set a specific date because otherwise I will be myself leading up to that. So I'm just going to let you guys know nearer the time, but there's still a few things that I need to prepare. I need to get tripods for like the camera that will go behind here, some lighting, like a microphone thing. I need to make a nice background. Wait, my background will be like over there. It's currently an absolute mess. So I need to sort my background out. I saw a very cute neon sign of a moon and I was like, that's gonna look cute in the background, so I might get that. But yeah, I need to sort the background out. I need to work out how to use Streamlabs. I think that's what it's called. I need to work out what I'm doing, so there's a few things to prepare. Would you guys like to see a finished office tour once I've done this room? Like once the strip lights are around the top, once I've got my prints for over here, once I've set up my background, and I'm just gonna redo some bits in here, so I could definitely do like a finished office tour on my YouTube. So like I said, my username is Sophie Louise ____. Those underscores are gonna get so annoying. It'll be linked below. A follow is completely free. It's free to watch the streams. It's free to make an account. I promise nothing will cost you a thing. But yeah, that's it really. Oh, I think I will change my username at some point, but Sophie is a very common name and Louise is a very common second name. So a lot of Sophie Louise usernames were taken. So we are currently ____, but I feel like I should change it. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. I hope you enjoyed this video, something very different for me, but yeah, it was just something that was really exciting to me, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. You can tell I'm nervous, I keep like fiddling with my cuffs, don't I? Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.